as more of the monster trucks continue to go. Let's kind of run down. Number 1 will be Dale Harris there. He is out of Pearl, Mississippi. Number 2 will be the Warren Hudson Renegade 1. He's out of Mountain Home, Arkansas with that, it's about a 66 Chevrolet 65, or GMC I should say. And he's down there. And he'll be out in just a few minutes out there to get ready to get it. As you see, Rick Hooser already rolling up here to give those autographs to you fine folks. And more of the monster trucks start to fire up in here. Of course, last night's winner, which was Awesome Kong, Steve Dane, he'll be coming out here in just a couple of minutes. So we'll be calling him out to you as you get ready to go. You see the nice-looking young lady down there? She's selling those Red Man souvenir programs, the fire tracks. And now's the time if you want to get one of those programs. Like I said, you'll find our monthly magazine in it. It has a schedule of ESPN broadcasting, Wednesday shows that you see, the ESPN monster truck, the Renegades monster ready to come out. As we look over here, and here was Fast Qualifier. It appears getting ready to come out of the pit. Also, the USA 1 machine, Brian Litzow, he had problems last night with carburetors, I believe, and fuel problems, and he never did make it. We need all the monster trucks on the track, though, gentlemen, just as quick as you guys can get out here for this autographs and signing. We will continue to sign autographs probably up for about another 17, 18 minutes, so it gives you an opportunity. And it gives plenty of time for Dipstick to get all his work done down there with his dust mop as he cleans the trucks off here this afternoon and gets all the work done. Dipstick, we'll try to see if we can't get your car replaced, sir, after that terrible incident. But remember, we come back there next year. Don't put, your car must have looked that bad if it was over with the wrecked cars over there. Time a while ago was 102.13. 102.13. Let's see what the find out. It's just showing off, beat the track record there, or I should say went ahead and made the quick shot and got the 47.75, which is quick this afternoon. On the line, here comes Rick Hooser out of St. Louis, Missouri. He's driving Bigfoot, ladies and gentlemen. He's on the starting line right now. Bigfoot ready to go at it. We wait for the green flag. We wait for the crew to say we're ready to go or we're not. Watch the green light coming on. Let's see what happens next. That's the new track record, 40.13. That is the new track record here this afternoon for a monster truck in the new Louisville Motor Speedway. Winston Racing Series, Bush Racing, and I'll tell you what, you're going to see a great program this afternoon of monster truck action here as we get ready to bring them on in just a couple of minutes. So we hold up now. The track crew down here, evidently they want to make something cleanup over there. The beautiful Louisville Motor Speedway track truck is provided courtesy of the great gang at Bob Hook Chevrolet and Boozu on Bardstown Road. The late model sportsman Bob Hook Chevrolet's new truck. The Louisville Motor Speedway Bob Hook Chevrolet's new track truck is able to get the job done each night. last night to Awesome Kong, and he is back right now. So it's Casper against Bigfoot, Awesome Kong against No Problem, and Stomper against Just Showing Off in the finals, the quarterfinal action on the line right here. So let's see what happens. As they're ready to go, we wait for the green light. Signal from Mike Schneider. Casper most likely will be your fast loser. We're going to wait and see. Lane violation, they tell me, right here. Could be a lane violation. Bigfoot with some problems. They're down there checking it out. They may have some problems with Bigfoot. A lot of liquid out of Bigfoot over there, and they're looking at Hoosier sitting on the top of the truck over there, staring down inside the engine. As they raise the hood immediately, they go to work checking to see what the problem is. Takes a look quickly. We see Bigfoot coming around and Awesome Kong is evidently broke, and Bigfoot's going to take a nice, easy win. Look at him, ladies and gentlemen. Confident, I'll tell you what. Let's stand up and give him a cheer, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him. He's going to be your man to come back. Yes, sirree. Rolling across here, let's give him a nice round of applause. And it is none other than Bigfoot out of St. Louis. And he goes to the finals, and it will be Rich Hooser, who has a very, very easy, confident run right here. The question I have for you now is, will we get a rematch between Casper and Bigfoot in the finals, and Casper will be coming out? It takes some time to get these trucks unloaded, or get the big tires off of them, get them so they can go underneath the overpasses on the expressway, and so forth, so those guys want to go to work. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you right now, I can't say anything about Chevrolet except they're our major sponsor, the Heartbeat of America. We thank them for that, but look what's on the final here this afternoon. It's an all-Ford show right here. Yes, sirree. How about it, you Ford people? I tell you what, you've been patient all day. Now let's take the poll. No, I'm not even going to take a poll because we got two good trucks out there right now. And we're going to see what happens here on the starting line as the pylons are put together. Both drivers are in. We wait for the word as we get the cars off the backstretch and so forth, and we'll get the engines fired up and take them on right to the starting line. Is it going to be Bigfoot out of St. Louis, Missouri, and Rich Hooser, or is it going to be the Texas